We are here on a trade and we're already negative $90. Expecting this to test back this line here. And it looks like we might, possibly. I'm not liking it. So, are we going to cover for a small loss or? Let's see. Level 2 is looking okay on my side right now, but it's looking bearish. It's making a little triangle right here. So right now, if it does not break that one, there we go. Broke, there we go. Okay, so that's how we take one nice trade. And we're up $200 on the first trade. So you can see my size when shorting above this right now is 300 because a potential loss. It's just the momentum's against me, so I'm not going to go heavy. Well, there we go. Okay. There's definitely some strength here. As soon as it touches this EMA, it just bounced right off. So that's why I knew on the big scheme of things, it's bouncing above on top of that. It's making this support now, and that's usually a very strong indicator when a support becomes, or resistance becomes a support, especially at this level right here. Then it's actually very, very strong. Why? Well, because it's on this channel and it broke the channel and then he used it as a support. Now if it's on top of that, it's very strong. Now these lines I got up here, these are resistance levels. So if you notice that when it touched, it got rejected. But right now, it could get rejected again, but I don't think so. Just considering how strong this bar was, it doesn't seem like it's going to get rejected right there. So this line is basically going to be pushed away. But I'll come back here in a little bit when I take another trade. Well, no, actually, hang on. It's this is what you call buy the dip here. It's making another leg. Now, I think it's gonna get rejected, maybe right there, but I'm not gonna short anymore here. I'm only going long because of the strength and the pattern. The pattern is just ripping. You can see the momentum. I mean, there's no slack. There's nothing moving back. It's just straight up, straight to the north. And when things are straight to the north, hey, come on, give me that dip right there. A little bit more. I might have missed it. No. Let's see. It possibly wants to give me that dip. Needs to. Well, no, it probably won't. I won't give me that dip. Okay, let's see now. It's giving me the dip, but now I need to see if it's gonna hold the dip. No. Nope. It's giving me more than a dip now. See the level 2 right here. Look at the level 2, how crazy it's going. The Bears are winning, obviously, because it's making it drop. But I don't think they're going to win. Okay, let's see. This would be the first pullback, second pullback. Oh no, this is a third pullback. So we're going to give it a minute here. This is just not very consistent. I mean, it's strong, but as soon as it made a nice little green bar, and then it come and touch the EMA. I mean, it needs to not touch it, even if it just glides right through it. But if it touches it, then I consider that a pullback. That's 2 pullbacks. 1, 2. Well, this will be the third. So no, I don't trade the third pullback. On the long side, I don't. I trade it to those short side. But as of right now, I'm not really liking this whole thing. So I'll be back when I'm ready for another trade. And as you can see right here, did exactly what I was thinking. breaking down on the third pullback. Of course, it's not surprising. 1, 2, 3, always. So now we're looking maybe to short now. Let's see, now we can go to a little bit heavier. 450. Yep. It's nice. I missed my entry. Darn it. If you look at it right here, this was supposed to be my entry here, but this is considered a false breakout on the right here on this channel right here. It broke out, it held its support, and then it cracked. So now we gotta come and test the other support. See, it's testing the VWAP. So now it's going right through it like butter, and that's not good because for the long side it's not. For the short side it's good. So right now, I think it's a fake out. It's too early for continuation of, well, could not. Level 2 is looking very bearish. You just look at it. I mean, this is how I learned how to read this right here. It's just okay. So at first you're just like wondering, like there's just a bunch of moving numbers up and down, right? Well, I don't know what that means, right? Okay. Well, nobody really knows what that means in the beginning because of the way it looks. But if you really start to pay attention, it goes from 120 to all the way to 130, and then and it bounces off 125, and it goes right back to 130 to test at 130. So it's testing back and forth constantly, the supports and resistance, but you just have to learn how to read it really fast, because I can tell you how I'm reading it, but see right now it touched 120. It was a 120.20, and then it bounced right back up to 130, and then it just keeps going back. And as soon as long as it keeps those supports there, I will probably buy around that range, 120. That's where I'll launch my order if I was going to buy. But as of right now, I don't like it because clearly you see right now it's at 120.00, $120, and it's a support, and it keeps bouncing off that support to 110. It gets rejected. I mean to 120. It gets 120.10. It gets rejected, and then didn't do it again. See, it's holding 120.00, but it's about to break, and it breaks. See, and that's when you have a nasty move to the downside. So as long as you can understand those things, you'll be fine. But it takes time to read the level 2. And see right now, this is kind of looking pretty strong for the bears here. I'm just looking for a double bottom here. I need a double bottom so I can jump right back in. Because right now what it needs to do, it needs to test the VWAP. And if it gets rejected from the VWAP, we'll go on really nicely on the short side. But as of right now, it still can make a double bottom, which I'm looking for. And then, there we go. Let's go. Come on. Double bottom. Yep. Double bottom. Here we go. Yep. We might get our double bottom here. Oh, boy. Come on. Nope, we did not. Oh, I should have sold there. Okay, so a lot of times it happens that way. Shoulda, coulda. Oh, Lord, what did I do? Why did I get out? I shouldn't have got out on that one. I should have kept it because I was already down way too much. Let's see. I don't know why I let that one do that to me. Let's see. There's still some resistance, but there's a lot of buyers now. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna get out right now because I shouldn't have probably got out, but you can see last time I didn't get out right here when I should have. I could have been up almost 400 bucks. So right now I'm only up $130. I'm still waiting for a pullback to the SMA, and then I can go short. So right now, if I'm going long, I am gonna take profits really fast because see how that went there. Now, that means bears are in super control right now. And that's not good. So, I need to short probably. Well, look at that. It's a nice little... I'm going to short right there. Let's see how that goes. See if they squeeze me out. Let's see. Let's see if buying the dips, so to speak, on the short side helps me out here. So it's looking pretty good, but there's too much strength going up. Looking at the level 2, if it bounces of 119, it keeps bouncing up 119. Break. Okay, it broke 119. Now we can see some nice follow through to the downside. Oof. Oh, gotta take profits. Nope, I don't like that. It's usually it recovers. So I'm up $400 right now, which is pretty darn good, in my opinion. See what it looks like right now. It's gonna start doing. It's gonna start doing what I call a diamond, like a diamond curl. A diamond curl is like it just kind of slowly starts to climb. Like it's still, this candle will probably be all green with a little tail. It looks like it. It just looks like it's rounding down. It's rounding. Once it rounds, you better not jump in. So to me, it's right here. Like I will go probably. Let's see. Level 2 looks so bearish though. I'm not jumping in on long side. No. I'm not going against that momentum. It's just way too strong. They keep buying every dip. They keep shorting every pop. But those are usually another, like I said, it looks like a diamond, diamond pattern to me, where it curls up right here. And then on this next candle, if it does it, it's gonna squeeze, and then bam. But this will be the first pullback. So the first pullback, a lot of shorts are gonna be waiting, and I'm gonna be one of them. Because what's gonna happen probably right here is this. It's gonna come like this, and it's just going to, it's gonna pop through it, and then get shorted, and then come down. That's what I'm thinking. So right now, we're just waiting. Looks like a potential break of the V-Web again, but of the EMA, but I've been trading for a little bit, and I know better than that. That would be the first pullback. Right now, it's making a small triangle. If you look at that, see that? See that? That's a small triangle there. Now, supposedly it's breaking out, but I'm looking at the level 2 right now, and whenever my bears are jumping in, all right, let's jump in, bears. And now I think it's gonna make a false break. I think, hopefully. Let's see. See if it squeezes me out or I'm right. Oh, well, look at that. The bears are alive, aren't they? We're not out of the woods yet, but it's a good entry. It's a great entry, in my opinion. It's one of the best entries. Sometimes the false breakouts are one of the best entries because you're very well positioned, and now you just have to wait till this little triangle here breaks to the downside. Yep. Let's see. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna collect or we're gonna. Just depends. It keeps getting rejected by 19. Why? Oh, nicely. Nice. Nice. Come on. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Keeps getting rejected. 75. Oh, no. I do not like that. It gained 19 again. 1920. Oh, not good. We were so nicely positioned. But now we are See, it could always flip on you. It just really could flip on you. But we're not gonna let this trade go red. So on my daily goal. See what I'm talking about? Should have collected profits. I was up, I think I saw $750. Which hey, I was expecting this to break and hold. If it holded, and then it tested it and it didn't. It did it completely a little bit different. But I'm still looking to. I can still jump in here. I think I can still jump in here. I just need a. No. Wait a minute. I gotta be careful because this is where you can jump into a double bottom. See, double bottom right here, and those are dangerous because whenever they pop, it will pop all the way up here. So that's almost losing all my gains, and I'm not thinking of doing that. I'm a goal of $500 here in about 23 minutes of market. So, well, it's Friday, and I'm calling it a day because I am very tired. And I'll see you guys well, not tomorrow, but some other day, maybe Monday. Oh, nope, holiday. So we'll do this probably Tuesday. So you can learn how to make $500 in 23 minutes. All right.